Hello everyone, welcome back to Khana Shana. I'm your host Suchitra and I'll be showing you how to make bread pizza. Keep watching this recipe to find out a tip that can help you save up to 10 minutes making bread pizza. So let's get started after this quick intro. So here are the ingredients. We are taking 6 slices of bread, 1 medium sized chopped onion, some peppers. I have taken half red pepper, half yellow pepper. You can take any of the peppers. Some shredded cheese. We are gonna use pizza sauce and tomato ketchup in the proportion of 2:1. And in the spices we have ground black pepper, crushed red pepper, some salt, and for seasoning we'll be using leaf oregano. So now let's make it. So let's toast our bread first. So we have toasted all of our breads. Now let's start making it. So we will mix our sauce first. We'll mix the pizza sauce and ketchup. Now we will mix our onion and the peppers. We will place our bread on the baking tray. And spread this sauce over it. Now we will add salt, pepper, and red pepper. Mix it well. And we'll spread it over the bread. Now we are gonna spread cheese over it. Now these are ready to be baked. Let's go to the oven. Put it in the top rack. Set it to broil, temperature to 400 degrees. Start. For broil, we don't need to preheat the oven. And we are broiling because we have already toasted the bread, so it's been cooked from the bottom. We just need to cook the veggies and cheese. That's why we are not baking. Let's set it for 4 minutes first and we'll check back later. We broil it for another 1 minute to give it the perfect brown color that you can see. So today we learned how to make bread pizza using a toaster and the broil function of the oven, which saved a lot of our time. If you guys liked the video, make sure to click the like button and share it with your friends. If you have tried it, let me know how it went in the comment section. If you want to see my future videos, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you again. Goodbye.